Good morning, LKG children. Nana, open your practice book. Open page number 32 and 33. Which letter, children? Yes, J letter. So, are you seeing J letter here? Yes. So, we should paste the sticker here, children. Okay, we will make it colorful. Okay, we will paste capital J and this is the who will make us to laugh? Joker. So we will paste Joker and J letter. Okay. Now see here small j and J for jug. So we will paste small j and jug also, children. Okay. See, children, this is capital J. Paste here capital J. Okay. Don't paste small j. Okay. J for Joker. Now see here which letter it is? Small j. Small j. How it will be, children? Yes. Paste here small j and J for jug. Paste here jug. Completed. Pasting completed now, children. Now we will trace out. Okay. Trace out neatly. Small j. Sorry, capital J. Now we will write J here. Okay. J. 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 J for Joker. J. 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 Write J here. J. 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 3 lines J. J. Completed now J writing. Now sit down. Down also we will write. Okay. J. 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 Now we only should write here 3 lines. Blue line to pink line. J. 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 J for Joker. J for Joker. J for jellyfish. J for jaguar. Completed now, children. J writing up and down. Class and homework I only written. Okay, children. You also write like this in your practice book. Okay. Now see here. Which letter it is? This is small j. So we will write small j here now. Okay. Small j. Small j. Small j. Small j. Here trace out, children. Small j. Small j. Small j. Small j. Small j. Write neatly. Small j. Small j. Small j. Small j. Small j. Now write here, children. Okay. Small j. Small j. Small j. Small j. Small j. J for jug. Small j. Small j. small j, 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 small j. Completed, children. You also write in your practice book J letter. Okay. Now open your activity book, children. Now children completed the practice book writing. Now open your activity book. Open page number 2 to 22. Page number 2 to 22. Now see, children, learn with J and small j. Now I am reading here. See, children, you can see the joker juggling with the balls. Each has different pictures on it. Match the hand of the joker with the balls that contain object beginning with J sound. So, children, are you seeing joker here? So, joker మన color balls తోటి ఇట్లా juggling చేస్తారు కదా. So, we should find in these balls J letter pictures. Okay, J letter sound వస్తాయి కదా, ఆ pictures మనం మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, జోకర్కి మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. See, children, what is this? Table. J for table. No, we should not match the joker hand. See here, what is this? Jar. J for jar. Correct. So match J for jug. Correct on the children. So match the joker hand. J for car. No. C for car. J for bowl. No. B for bowl. J for jacket. Yes. Match the joker hand. J for, this is jelly. So J for jelly. Jelly. Correct only, no, children? Match. J for hut. No, we should not match. Completed, no, children? Now see here. Write the first letter of the picture. Write first letter. What is this picture? Jug. What is first letter? J. Now see here. Color the picture. What is this, children? J for jeep. Color the jeep. Color the jeep, children. Children, color with green. See, children, completed no coloring. You also color the jeep. Okay. Complete activity book page number 22 and complete page number 32-33 in your practice book. Okay. Thank you.